Hello there. In this comprehensive guide, I will show you how to use TruthFinder to look up your long-lost dad. First, in the People's search bar, enter your father's full name and his state. If you don't know which state he lives in, you may leave this section blank. Next, wait for the results to load. TruthFinder will search public records to provide you with detailed available information on your long-lost dad. Make sure to open the correct person's report by checking his age, location history, and potential known associates. Lastly, review your dad's report. If you are not an existing subscriber, you will need to purchase a membership plan to view the report. The report may include his available contact information, social media profiles, possible criminal and traffic records, court cases, and other relevant details. Thank you.